6 raised to power s plus 9 raised to power s is equal to 2 raised to power 2s plus 1. What is the value of s? Hi everyone, welcome to my class. In this class, we want to find the value of s from this equation. 6 raised to power s plus 9 raised to power s is equal to 2 raised to power 2s plus 1. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Solution. Here, this is 6 raised to power s plus 9 raised to power s is equal to 2 raised to power 2s plus 1 can be written as 2 raised to power 2s multiplied by 2 raised to power 1. That is from this rule that if you have a raised to power n plus m is equal to a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Also, if you have a raised to power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to power nm. This is equal to a raised to power m to the power of n. Then we have 6 raised to power s plus 9 raised to power s is equal to, this can be written as 2 raised to power 2 to the power of s multiplied by 2. 6 raised to power s plus 9 raised to power s is equal to 2 squared 4 raised to power s multiplied by 2. Let's divide both sides by 4 raised to power s divided by 4 raised to power s divided by 4 raised to power x. Then here 6 raised to power s over 4 raised to power s plus 9 raised to power s over 4 raised to power s is equal to, this one will cancel this, 2. Here we have 6 raised to power s over 4 raised to power s plus 9 raised to power s over 4 raised to power s minus 2 is equal to 0. Now let's see, take note of this, that if you have a raised to power n over b raised to power n, this is equal to a over b to the power of n. And here we have 6 over 4 raised to power of s plus 9 over 4 raised to power of s minus 2 is equal to 0. And 2 here, 2. 2 here, 3. And this is 3 over 2 raised to power of s plus 9 can be written as 3 squared over 4 can be written as 2 squared raised to power of s minus 2 is equal to 0. Then here this is 3 over 2 raised to power of s plus 3 over 2 raised to power of s square minus 2 is equal to 0. Let 3 over 2 to the power of s is equal to y. Y plus y square minus 2 is equal to 0. Let's rearrange. We have y square plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using either factorization method or quadratic general formula. Let's consider the first case. Our quadratic general formula in this case is given as y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of discriminant over 2a, where d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, C is equal to minus 2. Then D is equal to 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 2. This is equal to 1 plus 8, because if you multiply by 1, it's the same thing as 8. This is equal to 1 plus 8, 9. Then we have y is equal to, the minus b is minus 1 plus or minus square root of 9 over 2 multiplied by 1. This is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 9 is 3 over 2 times 1, 2. Then y is equal to minus 1 plus 3 over 2, or minus 1 minus 3 over 2. Y is equal to minus 1 plus 3, that is 2 over 2, or minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 over 2. Then y is equal to 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 1, or 2 here 1, 2 here 2, minus 2. This is the value of y using quadratic general formula. Let's consider the second case using factorization method. We have the quadratic equation y squared plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then this is the product. If you have minus 1 multiplied by 2, this is equal to minus 2. Then minus 1 plus 2, this is equal to 1. So let's substitute. We have y squared minus y plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then here y bracket y minus 1 plus 2 bracket y minus 1 is equal to 0. Y minus 1 bracket 2 y plus 2 is equal to 0. Then y minus 1 is equal to 0, or y plus 2 is equal to 0. Then from here, y is equal to 1, or y is equal to minus 2. These are the values of y using factorization method. You can see that using factorization method and quadratic general formula, we get the same value of y. But 3 over 2 raised to the power of s is equal to y. Now, 3 over 2 to the power of s is equal to minus 2, or 3 over 2 to the power of s is equal to 1. Then from here, this is positive, and here is negative. So the whole of this is rejected. The only real solution we have is this. Then 3 over 2 to the power of s is equal to 1. If you have a raised to power 0, this is equal to 1. S raised to power 0, this is equal to 1. Here we have 3 over 2 to the power of s is equal to 3 over 2 raised to power 0. Then they have the same base, therefore s is equal to 0. This is the final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation: 6 raised to power s plus 9 raised to power s is equal to 2 raised to power 2s plus 1. Then when s is 0, 6 raised to power 0 plus 9 raised to power 0 is equal to 2 raised to power 2 bracket 0 plus 1. 6 raised to power 0, this is 1, plus 9 raised to power 0, 1, must be equal to 2 raised to power 2 times 0, that is 0 plus 1. Then here is 2 must be equal to 2 raised to power 0 plus 1, that is 1. Then here 2 is equal to 2, which satisfies the given equation at s is equal to 0. If you enjoyed the class, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.